how they deliver packages over the weekend. Here's another product to review for the YouTube channel. Let's see what we got today. This is the S1 K4 Infinite. We already have a candidate vehicle for this one, so we'll do it over the weekend. So I'm here with Dock Marine, this company that builds exactly that, docks for marinas and all that. So you see all the heavy equipment there, and we're gonna install this dash cam in it, add a little level of security in this Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. So let's see what's in the box here. User manual, S1 K4 Infinite camera. So we have the front camera unit, the cigarette lighter connector, the rear camera, which is optional. I don't think we're gonna be able to use this one here because this Sprinter has a solid door in the back, so we won't need that. So we won't even need the rear camera cable. We have all the tools to hide the wires here. Let me see, where's the 12-volt charger in this car? Oh, it's down here, so that's perfect because we're gonna run the wire down there. Let me see what other thing we have here. We're gonna just install the camera up there. Yes, optional items sold separately. We have the card here, wire in it, and that's it basically. I've done a few of these, so this should be easy. So here's the front camera. As you can see, the design is pretty clever because we're gonna be able to put it up here. You can change the angle, so that's pretty good. So it's gonna be almost hidden here, aside from that panel in the center. So that's a good option. Here we have the rear back camera, which we won't be able to install it. Maybe we will install it just for fun from the inside to keep an eye on the cargo. I'm gonna open that and see how that is. Here we have the typical tool to hide the wires, all the wires themselves. So let's get to work. Oh, this is if you wanna hard wire it. We won't do that because we're gonna charge it through the 12-volt charger, which is this one. So let me get to that. This is our wire. Just a test. Let's turn on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera here. Let's clean up a little bit of the surface there. Make sure everything is right. So there it is. We're gonna start running the wires now. So there you go, we're hiring the wire now. It's pretty nice because I have access to this panel, so you won't even see anything here. Let's connect it again there. So this process is a little bit tedious. It's just like pushing things out. So let me do that. Let me take this again now. I'll do a time lapse for this. So there it is. We ran the whole wire through the panels in the back. We can hide the rest here. You see a little bit there, but nobody will notice that. And now let's go for the back camera. So here's the back part of the printer, and I think we're gonna install the camera somewhere here. So I have a little problem here because this camera, the angle only goes so much with this flat surface, so I think it will be pointing out there. Let me check it out in the monitor. And I think the best option is gonna be on this panel here, because here the angle will be pointing up This is more centered, so it's pretty good. Now we have to run the wire. Actually, I'm gonna try to hide it or hold it in there in place. Push it in a little bit here. I'm gonna have to find it from the front. Let me see. Fortunately, this is much easier than a regular car because it has a lot of gaps, so shouldn't be a problem. So this is a much easier installation because there's a lot of holes here in the panels. So I can just run the wire here. And now I'm gonna run it all the way here to the gap. And this time I think I'm gonna come down here. Be careful here because there's an airbag. Come down and do all the way. Oh no, actually I have to go here on the top, which is gonna be easier to connect over there to the camera. So let's do that. So there you go, we installed the camera. All the wire went there. The excess length of the wire was hidden there. The hole helped us really a lot. So now it's connected there. You can see it goes here, goes up here. Let's try to hide it a little bit more. Here the gaps are so wide that it actually doesn't stay in there, but nobody noticed that. So now let's try it. So that was
Dashcams powering on.
the camera is on. It's recording. Power it on.
Starting recording. GPS is connected.
So there's a better angle there. GPS connected. It's started to rain a little bit, but we have a camera connected. We can download the app, but this is not my car, so we're gonna get the owner to download the app and start using the camera on his way up. But let's go for a little spin around the neighborhood here. We're recording. It's always recording.
Display on. Starting manual event recording. Driving recordings paused.
So every maneuver we did with this, like especially parking here in this tight space, now if something happens, we have evidence of it with this camera. That's pretty cool. This VUEROID S1K Infinite Dashcam is one of the most advanced in the market, and the newest actually in the market. It's the first one with AI-based analysis for license plates restoration and privacy protection. It also has what it's called Infinite Plate Capture Mode and Premium Night Vision Mode, which were created by tuning VUEROID's patented image signal processing ISP. The camera is manufactured in South Korea and now it's available in Amazon. That's it. So now I'm gonna download the footage and see what we got.